Welcome back, traders. In this video, we are going to talk about the M30 trading strategy and why the 30-minute time frame can be one of the most effective ways to analyze the market. Okay, now the 30-minute chart is unique, right? Because it sits right in between the very short-term charts like the 1 minute and 5 minute and the longer term charts such as the 4 hour and the daily. Okay, so this balance gives us enough detail to make precise entries while still filtering out much of the noise that comes with the lower time frames. Okay, so for traders who don't want to be glued to the screen all day but still want reliable setups, the M30 trading strategy is an excellent choice. All right, so let us quickly start with the basics. When trading the M30 time frame, the first thing to focus on is market structure. All right, look for clear higher highs and higher lows in an uptrend. Okay, clear higher highs and higher lows in an uptrend, or lower lows and lower highs in a downtrend. Okay, all right, it's important for you to identify market structure. The 30-minute chart shows structure well, making it easier to identify the overall direction of the market. So once you have determined the trend, you would want to focus on key zones such as your resistance zones and your support zones, right? So here we have a resistance zone and we have a support zone. Wherever you have more than one rejections, at least two rejections. Okay, so we actually have a support zone around here. Yeah, and the zones are going to be disrespected sometimes and going to be respected other times. So if you look closely, you see that this particular zone have held all through this while. There was a false breakout here, but you see it's even got respected here, and then see now it got respected here again. So we actually have a zone here. Okay, so you have to mark these zones. These zones often become decision points for the market, and on the 30-minute chart they tend to be more reliable than those on very short time frames. Okay, now let us talk about entry confirmation. With the M30 trading strategy, one of the most effective entry techniques is waiting for a breakout of a key level followed by a retest. Okay, for example, we have to use a very practical example now, shall we? um if you look closely, we have a resistance zone here, right? You can see that with me. Price was rejected here, here again, here, right? So guess what? We had a breakout from this resistance zone. We had a breakout here, and then price kind of came close. We didn't exactly touch it per se, but it went back up and came back and retested it properly. In fact, we even had a false breakout to the downside. Now, that was a good retesting, and it came and tested it again. You can see multiple retesting showing that this level is an important one. So after that, we had a proper, continuation. You can see we had a break of structure. After it came, we tested it. We had a change of character here. You can see lower highs, lower lows. Then there was a change of character and then a retest. If you see that, I hope you understand the explanation. You can see that we are having lower highs and lower lows here, right? Now, this lower highs and lower lows was what led to this false breakout from this resistance that turned into a support. And then we had a change of character because we no longer had a lower high, we had a higher high this time around. So you can see that we had a change of character around here, right? So after that change of character, price now came back down to test this zone again before going back up. So you can use the breakout and retest strategy on the M30 time frame, right? So you can see that this would have been a good place to enter a buy trade after we had this bullish engulfing candle here. So stop loss can be below that pattern. If you want a tight stop loss, you can just use below that pattern. But if you want a more, wider stop loss, you can then take it below this zone. And then you can target, this key zone for your take profit, this zone resistance here, right? For your take profit. Okay. So this way you are keeping your risk controlled and defined. Another key point with the M30 trading strategy is timing. Not all trading sessions are equal, okay? The best opportunities usually appear during high volume times, such as the London Open or the overlap between the London and New York sessions, okay? So during these times, you'll notice stronger moves and cleaner setups. Outside of these sessions, the markets may be slower and setups can be less reliable, okay? So to put it all together, the M30 trading strategy involves analyzing market structure, marking your key support and resistance zones, waiting for breakouts and retests, you know, confirming with candlestick patterns, like we did around here, right? Wait for your break and retest, and then you wait for candlestick confirmation. Okay, and then managing your risk responsibly. So this structured approach allows traders to stay disciplined while taking advantage of the clarity that the 30-minute time frame provides. So if you enjoyed this breakdown of the M30 trading strategy, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe for more videos just like this. Share this with a fellow trader who might benefit from learning how to master the 30-minute chart. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy trading.